Hello everyone, my name is Bolis. I come from Cambodia. I am a participant with Myanmar. I would like to introduce about my get help and my provide help in Myanmar. I provide help amount for BTC in 8 February 2017 and today I get help some of my Maro amount 0.12 BTC in 5 March 2017. I would like to thank you to Mr. Sake Mavrodi who created this system. Thank you so much to all participants who provide help to me. And Myanmar is really paid to all participants. Myanmar is real community that make people can help people around the world. Myanmar is not business online, it's not investment, it's not AYP, it's not money game. And Myanmar can grow our Mavro up to 100% per month with extra tasks. Just do the tasks can up our Mavro to 100% per month. And we can join with Myanmar right now with my register link. I will submit in my description of my video. And thank you. Please like, subscribe, share this video to people around the world. Thank you. Together we can change the world.